Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how I'll be converting this raw material into this final product. So I'll be dealing with some machines where I'll not be able to shoot with my DSLR, which I'm shooting right now, since I can't take my DSLR and shoot some awesome amazing videos because my DSLR is not capable of handling the rough situations like machine shop or any other kind of rough places. So what I did was I took advantage of this small tiny action camera which is made by GoPro, and this is GoPro Hero 7 white, which doesn't come with the Pro Tunes which comes in most of other GoPro Hero cameras, but I made sure I'll use this camera to the fullest and bring the best results in my workplace where everything is kind of dull and only artificial lights are present. So let's see how my work goes, and let's test out some GoPro footage, and you'll get an idea as to what this tiny camera is capable of. So guys, I hope you like the video. There is not much of potential to this action camera to shoot some amazing things at a low light. When it comes to daylight, this camera performs very good, but when it comes to artificial light or indoor light, this really sucks. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like the video, and make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every Monday at 6 p.m. when I upload a new video. Basically, in this channel I'll be posting a lot of travel vlogs and photography and filmmaking videos, so don't miss out all the beautiful amazing content which I'll be posting in the future. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.